All right, my darlings, last one. You're almost done with me for the day. All right, so on this lab sheet, first of all, I should have made clear that the only thing you have to write are these letters A, B, C, and D. Okay? So A, B, C, and D. Now, look at this number line. What do you notice? You should notice that, unlike you, this number line is completely naked. Don't tell its mom. But that means we need to go ahead and continue with where the number line left off and label it. Anytime you see naked sides on any kind of shape, parallelogram, triangle, rectangle, squares, number lines, if they're naked, label them. That's going to make your life easier. Also, who wants to be running around naked? Only certain people, and you know who they are. All right, so now let's go back to this. You're labeling, where is A? A fraction that is close to, but greater than 1. Close to what? Close to 1. But it's greater than 1. Basically, what they're testing you on is on a number line like this that has both negative numbers and positive numbers. Where are the greater numbers? Are they to the right? Are they to the left? You need to be able to tell where greater than 1 but super close to it would be. So you might need to make a note on the bottom. Draw yourself a number line and put the bigger numbers are over here. These are more. As you go to the right, the number increases. As you go to the left, the number decreases. Remember, decrease down. So where would you put A? Well, you would put it like right here, somewhere really close to 1, but just a tiny bit greater than. So I'm hoping that with the rest of these, what I want you to do is go ahead and try them right now, and then we can check our answers. But it's okay to struggle. It's okay to think, I don't know if this is right. What's not okay is sitting and doing nothing. What's not okay is not trying. So it's okay to get it wrong. That's how people learn. You wouldn't believe how many mistakes have taught me important lessons, valuable lessons that I should not have had to learn the hard way, but I did because I was stubborn. So same thing with math. You just do the best you can, really, really, really try, and then we correct our mistakes and move on. So do that now, and then we will check our answers.